So here in this program, we are going to see how to use return type in function. So here we are making program to add two numbers using return type. In previous program, we haven't used any return type. So hash include stdio.h. This is our header file. Then this is our integer main. This is our main function. Here I'm not declaring global variable. Here I'm declaring it within function itself. Here I'm taking three integer variables, integer a, b and c. And here I'm asking user to enter two numbers. So printf enter two numbers and scanf %t for first number, %t for second number, comma, first number is m% a. In a variable we have taken that number, and second will be b. And here we are giving function call c equals to, name of function is sum. We are giving relevant, we can use any name, but here we are giving relevant name. In place of sum we can use add also. Any name we can give, but it will be more better if we give relevant name. And here I'm passing a and b. Now we can see that this function is having arguments inside. And after this I'm printing printf \n addition of two numbers is equals to %t, and variable which is holding addition is c. So this was our function call, and after meeting this function call, control is going to function definition. As we can see here that we are collecting addition of a and b in c, and c is of type integer. So here we have to give integer return type to a function definition. Here we have to write integer because our function is of type integer. Integer name of function will remain same everywhere. If we have taken add here, we have to write add here also. Here we are passing two arguments in our function. So here as well we have to pass two arguments. I'm taking here integer I and one more variable integer j. So whatever value will take in a and b will come to, value from a will come to I, and value in j will come from b. And here I'm taking one more variable integer k. As we have taken only two variables as argument, so we can pass only two variables as argument. We can't pass k inside this because this in that way this function will be different from this function. So we are declaring k here. Now k equals to I plus j, and here we have to return k because this function is of type int, because we are collecting addition of a and b and c, and c is of type integer, so we have to declare this function as integer. Here we are putting addition of I and j in k, so here we have to return k. And after returning, it is going to print addition of two numbers, and it was printing c, and c is holding addition of a and b. Here we are putting function prototype. Just a minute. As we are defining function definition below main function, below function call, so here we have to give function prototype. Name of our function is add, and its type is integer, so we have to write int Add is the name of function. Here we cannot leave it empty because our function is holding two arguments. So here we have to give int, comma, int, and put semicolon here. This is our function prototype. We can write here even variable name as we can give any variable, integer d and e, but these are dummy variables. These variables are not going to hold any memory space. It is not needed to give variable name. We can directly write int and int. And even if we are writing variables, these variables are not going to hold any memory space. Save it. Now how this program is working, first we'll run our program. Teacher A, B and C. So we forgot to give comma here. Save it, build it and then run it. So it is asking me to enter two numbers. I'm giving 5 and 4. It has given addition of two numbers is 9. So how this program is working? So here this is our header file. Now first control will see that there is a user defined function whose name is add and return type is int and it is holding two integer arguments. After that it will come to main function. In main function we are declaring three variables a, b and c. Here we are asking user to enter two numbers. We are giving numbers in the variables a and b, and here we are saying that c equals to a and b. Whatever is the addition of a and b, it will come to c and then we'll print here. Now here c equals to add a comma b. This is our function call. As it finds function call, control will go to function definition. In function definition, we have int, add, integer I and j. So whatever value will give in a, suppose we have given, for a we have given 5, 5 will come here, and for b we have taken 6, 6 will come here. After function call, control goes to function definition. So we have given 5 for a, that 5 will come to this I, and 6 for b, then that 6 will come to this j. So it has 5 and 6. We have taken one more integer variable to add these two numbers. So k equals to I plus j. Now k is holding addition of two numbers I and j. And here we are returning k because as we are not printing this k in our function definition, so we have to return it. When we'll return it, that addition will go to c. And here we are printing addition of two numbers is equals to c. Whatever number will give will get added and that addition will come to this c. Save it and run it again. Here we are giving 11 and second number is also 11. It is saying addition of two numbers is equals to 22. So this was our addition of two numbers using return type.